I'm like, okay, first and foremost, I want to save a little money for cushion money. So when I fall on my ass, it don't hurt as bad. Or it don't hurt at all. Because what is going on? Yo, we on episode 11, man. This is crazy. Like, the episodes, they keep getting, the number keep increasing. Last week it was 10, now we on 11. You know what I'm saying? But this is Road to Financial Freedom, episode 11, man. And you're going to talk about saving money. Again, why not? Why not? Because I keep having this conversation with my family. So why not? Family and friends. I'm not trying to call nobody out. But I'm D, and this is 83 Finance. All right, let's talk about saving money. Now, there are 3 things I want to talk about specifically when it comes to saving money. I'm going to try to help you save money a little faster. So the first thing you need to do is set a goal, right? I kid you not, I can tell you this from first-hand experience. Once I set a goal and I knew where I was going and I knew what I had to do, it helped me save money faster. I'm like, okay, first and foremost, I want to save a little money for cushion money. So when I fall on my ass, it don't hurt as bad. Or it don't hurt at all. Because I got some fallback money. I got an emergency fund. That was my ultimate goal, to have an emergency fund. Right? Which I need to fill back up. But that's why I was saving. Then I said, okay, I know why I'm saving. How much do I need to save? Let me save at least 3 months worth of expenses. You got financial advisors and other financial gurus. They'll tell you 6 months. But it just depends on how many dependents you have, if you have a big family, how much debt you have. It just depends on that. See, me, I don't have a lot going on as far as debt and family and all that. So 3 months is good with me. Let me save up. I rounded my number up to 10,000. Let me save up by 10,000. I'm good. So now I know why I'm saving for an emergency fund, and I know how much to save. Last thing you need to do is figure out when you want to have this money saved. Now, I get it. Things may happen in between. But let's focus on the goal. All right? I said, you know what? This is how much I make each month. And this is how much I spend. And this is how much I got left over. Each month, I'm going to save a percentage of this. Maybe half of what I have left over. Maybe even a little more. It just depends on your situation. I'm going to save this for 6, 7, 8 months until I reach 10,000. So that's the first thing. When you're trying to save money a little faster, that's the first thing you need to realize. What is your goal? What are you saving for? How much do you want to save? And when do you want to have this money saved by? That's the first thing. When you're trying to save money, that's the first thing you got to do. You need to figure out your goal. What's the reason behind it? What's your what? What's your why? And what is your how? Maybe not in that order, but you know what I'm saying? That's what you need. So now, that's the first thing. It's just a little wine, look, something grown and sexy. You know what I'm saying? Let me put it down, man. So that's the first thing. You got your goal. Now you need to cut or limit your expenses. And this is something I struggle with. I like food. Scratch that. I love food. So some days I'll go back in my bank account and look at my recent bank statement, like for the last month. I'll be like, man, I ate out way too much. Way too much. Literally. Money you could have did a whole lot with. Literally. And I don't have it too bad, but I know some people that got it worse than me. So I know it's somebody I'm talking to, you got it bad. You steady eating out, and you getting bigger, and I'll just play. But yeah, so you need to cut and limit your expenses. I'm not trying to preach to you because, like I said, I struggle with it sometimes. It's not bad. but you need to cut or limit your expenses. This is going to allow you to free up some money. That way you can save more money. Let's say each month you overspend about $400 on food. Just a hypothetical number. That $400 could go towards your savings on top of what you already saving. Hopefully you already saving some. You know what I'm saying? So cut or limit your expenses. And food is not the only thing. If you have any subscriptions that you're not using, like Hulu, Netflix, Amazon, the gym you're not going to, or stuff like that. If you're not using it, cut it. That's money that you can use to save. So that's the second thing you can do. Third thing, you can make more money. You can make more money. And it sounds simple. It is simple. A lot of this stuff is simple. We just make it hard. You can make more money. So come up with some type of creative way to make more money, like a side hustle. Like when you get off, instead of watching Netflix and watching TV all day, or catching up with your sneaky link, or just driving somewhere you ain't got no business, stuff like that. Playing video games. It's something you can be doing to make a little more extra money, especially if you know you have goals you need to attain, so that's it, man. Make some more money. You gotta be creative with that one. With that last one, that is the hardest thing to do. I'm not saying it's hard, but out of the three things that I said you can do to save money faster, that's the hardest. Because first, we talked about setting a goal. Knowing why, how, and when. Second thing is cutting or limiting your expenses. That's probably a little more difficult than making money. No, it's not. It's discipline with both of them. Then the third thing, make more money. Make more money. Literally, those first two, it's like automatic. You don't have to do nothing to set the first two. Set your goal, cut, or limit your expenses. Those two right there, it should be automatic. It's no extra effort in doing those two right there. Now the third one, making more money, okay, maybe it may be a little difficult than the other two. But those are at least two things you can do. Third thing, make more money. You gotta be creative. Make something. You know what I'm saying? Write a book that you can sell. Make some music. Make some content. Anything. You see what I'm doing? So, yeah, that's how you can make money faster. Now, another thing, when you're saving money, be mindful about where you putting that money at. A regular savings, it's like 0.4% as far as the interest rate. Don't quote me on that, but it's very low. Very low on a regular savings. So when you're saving that money and you stashing it away, and let's say you save up $10,000, that's your emergency fund. You don't even have to touch it for real. So it's just sitting there year after year. It's not really gaining any money. But if you do a high yield savings account, and let's say you get like 2 or 3% on your money back, that's way better. Or if you put it into a CD, which is like 4 or 5%. So be mindful about where you put that money at. You can put it in the regular savings. That's cool, but that's like the bare minimum. A regular savings is fine, as long as you got something. Something is better than nothing. But if you make the time to put it into a high yield savings account or a certificate of deposit, which is a CD, that's even better. Now your money is gaining a little interest on it. So, that's just something to be mindful about. Grown is sexy. This is pretty good. So yeah, that's how you can save money faster. And I know it's cliche to some people. You probably heard it over and over. Just wanted to put it on your mind again. Maybe this is the video you needed to let you know that you need to get on top of your stuff. But yeah, that's it, man. How to save money faster. It's simple. A lot of this stuff is simple. We just make it hard. All right. So that's it, man. This video was kind of shorter. It kind of shorter than the rest of them, but yeah, hopefully it was very insightful and you learned something new, or it was a reiteration. So yeah, take care of yourself, man. Get in that gym. Work out at the house. Take care of your body. Eat the right foods, at least halfway. You know what I'm saying? And make sure you take care of your mental. Everything is mental. It starts from the mind. So make sure you feeding yourself positive thoughts and think on the greener side, man. And just know everything gonna be cool if you want it to be cool. And the things that we can't control, don't trip too much on it, cause that's what happens. Life throws you curveballs sometimes, but the only thing you can do is roll with the punches, man. So yeah, take care of yourself. And appreciate you for watching this video, man. Like, subscribe, share, comment, tell a friend, tell your people about me, let them know what's going on. But that's it, man. So thank you for watching. And until next time, man.